Ecogreen Oleochemicals, one of the leaders in oleochemicals production, is a global company committed to supplying high-quality products at competitive rates and building strong customer relationships while investing in our human capital. To ensure we meet our commitments, we source renewable and abundantly available raw material from Indonesia, one of the world's largest producers of palm oil, palm kernel oil, and coconut oil. These raw materials are shipped to Ecogreen Oleochemicals production facilities in Indonesia for further processing before delivery to our international customers. On Batam Island and in the port city of Belawan in Indonesia, our factories produce various grades of natural fatty alcohols, fatty acids, and glycerin. On Singapore's Jurong Island, the facilities convert our natural fatty alcohols into fatty alcohol ethoxylates. Established in 1916, our Rodelben production facility in Germany produces high-quality olyl alcohol, esters, and sugar alcohol in powder such as sorbitol, xylitol, and maltitol. To keep customers up to date with the latest information on Ecogreen oleochemical products, the company has set up strategically located sales and marketing offices. Headquartered in Singapore, our main office handles the Asia-Pacific region and coordinates global sales and marketing activities of its divisions in Houston, Texas, which covers our U.S., Canada, and Latin American markets, while Rodelben in Germany handles European inquiries. Another key factor to Ecogreen Oleochemicals' global reach is its efficient and effective distribution network. Batam Island's production facilities have a direct pipeline to the Kabil terminal, which allows direct loading to parcel tankers. With regular feeder services to Singapore, one of the best transshipment ports in the world, Ecogreen oleochemical products are exported to virtually all corners of the globe. Established distribution channels in Newark, New Jersey take care of customers in the northeastern part of the United States, while Houston looks after North and Latin American consumers. Our Rotterdam channel in the Netherlands provide for our European clientele. With a network stretched out to service a wide customer base, Ecogreen Oleochemicals also sees quality management as key to our global success. Our commitment to being an environmentally friendly global producer has led to an ISO 14001 certification that ensures our desire to see future generations enjoying this green planet. Furthermore, our priority to quality management has resulted in our Batam, Belawan, and German plants obtaining ISO 9001. The certification confirms our dedication to producing only high-quality oleochemicals from the initial stages of design and development all the way to production, installation, and servicing. As a result, Ecogreen oleochemical products have wide-ranging applications. Already, the natural fatty alcohols are used in consumer goods. Sugar alcohols from Rodelben find applications in pharmaceutical and food industries. Furthermore, the Ecogreen oleochemical products have industrial applications. To maintain our high standard of production and service, investment in our employees through regular training and sophisticated facilities have guaranteed efficient processes, overall team effort, and timely delivery of product. Moreover, strong production expertise, an efficient sales and marketing force, combined with an international distribution network, contributes to our current success. All this and more ensures our commitment to supplying high-quality products at competitive rates and building a strong customer relationship while investing in our human capital. Ecogreen Oleochemicals is your global partner and resource of oleochemicals.